Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys, bold font, how to use. Friends you want to on and friends you want to use guys your phone bold font settings. So how to on and use today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, we will on guys our Samsung phone or guys Google phone setting. After on guys Google phone setting, we will search here guys Google phone guys bold font. Friends you can see guys bold text means guys bold font guys, we will tap here. Friends you can find guys your bold text here guys. So after on guys you can see your font will bold. Friends you can see this font will bold. So friends you like guys your bold font guys you want to use in your Google phone device. So friends you can on, and friends you don't want to use, so friends you can off from guys your phone display setting guys, on guys your phone display setting, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys this phone display and text size setting, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see your bold text, you can off from here. After guys your this font means guys your text will bold font will off. Friends you like, so friends you can on, and friends you can use guys your bold text from here. And friends you don't like the bold text, so friends you can off from here. Then guys you can use guys your default bold font setting. So let's say guys we can on and off, and guys we can use guys our Google phone guys bold text setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.